Okay, so what are our objectives for today? Today we are going to learn about the differences between the North and the South of the United States before the Civil War. Understanding the differences is going to help us be able to better understand why the Civil War even started. And we're going to be watching a video, going over some vocabulary, and reading a text to understand the differences. So, what have we done so far this year? Well, even going back before this year, in fourth grade, you learned about Jamestown and the American Revolution and the Declaration of Independence. So that's what you learned last year. This year, we started by learning about inventions and inventors. That was Unit 1. Then, Unit 2 was when we learned about the westward expansion, the 1800s. So that we just finished. Awesome. And now we're moving to Unit 3. Unit 3 is all about the Civil War, 1861 to 1865. So the Civil War happened during the westward expansion, during the 1800s. But this is a small part of the westward expansions, and it was made a big impact. So we're going to spend a whole unit on just the Civil War. So we're going to watch a video, and as you're watching the Brain Pop video about the Civil War, it's going to stop and ask you some questions. So make sure that you're paying attention to the video so you know how to answer the questions.